Hi everyone, I'm Akash Umakan Biradar. In the learning process of Java, in today's topic, we will learn about DI and IOC, and also today's date is 2nd Feb 2022. Here, in spring, the DI and IOC concept are introduced. DI means dependency injection, and IOC means inversion of control. Now, what is DI and what is IOC? First of all, we will discuss about Spring. Spring is dependency inversion framework of Java. It is used for loose coupling. Now, what is dependency injection? Let's we go through the example. If I take a class A, and in class A there are some work I have to do, or there are some methods I have to execute it. But if there is another class B, and there is also some method to execute, but in class A, if I want to execute or if I want to work class A totally, then I want the object of class B. Then I should have to also reference variable of object of class B. Then in class A, I will initialize the object of class B. In core Java, we will do that like B object is equal to new B. Now I am using that reference variable of that object of class B in overall that my class. Here, for example, if I using that object, or if I using that reference variables 100 times again, then in core Java we will do like that. But here, if I want to change, or if I want to change in class B or object of class B or instances of class B, then I also have to change it in class A of object B. Then I have to change it 100 times, and also I have to recompile it. By considering that issue, or in Spring, the Spring already create the object of that classes, all the classes, or dependency classes, not all the classes. Spring created the object of all the component, we can also say the component. Now here, dependency injection means whenever we use the object in method, in constructor, in class, whenever we need that object of another class, then we will inject that object directly at that particular time. That is called dependency example. Now here, the object of classes or all the dependency classes is made by IOC. It means the responsibility of creating object of all the dependencies is of IOC. Here means while at dynamically runtime, IOC create the object of all the dependencies or all the classes. Then whenever we use that object in our project, we will use it by dependency injection. Here dependency injection is only for that transferring the IOC object. It means the object created in IOC to user or to developer. Here, because of that, there will be loose coupling, because whenever we need references or whenever we need that object, we can access directly. So that will be loose bonding. Here we cannot create object by using new keyword. That's why there will be loose bonding. If I want to implement in that object, then I don't need to change in object, because object is created by IOC. Now here, The dependency injection is different concept and IOC is different concept, but practically when we use that dependency injection or IOC, we have to use that combine, because by only IOC is responsible for creating object. By only creating object, if you can't access, then there is no need of, or there is no need of IOC, because only creating object, that's not good, or that's not quantitatively good. But by DI, only accessing the object, if there is no new object creating, or no object is creating there, then accessing the same object, or accessing there should not be accessing the newer object, or there should not be multiple objects there for dependency injection for accessing. So here we have to use both combinedly. uh, you have to use both combinedly in practical. Now this is the information about DI and IOC. Thank you.